Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Do Bonsai. We've got a different kind of video for you today, more of a talking head video. I'm joined by my now good friend Taki. If you was at Bonsai Fest, you will have seen Taki. We were there with a table with the Tatami style stands, the stages. The first time these were out on display as being potentially available to the bonsai community, and we just wanted to tell you a little bit more about the staging, what it represents, what it means, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So this isn't just a normal stand, this feels different.
はい、日本には床の間という空間があるんです。部屋の中で、少しだけ高くて、で特別に、しつらえられた場所があります。そこに置かれるものはただのものではなく、空間によってその意味や価値が引き上げられます。
So in Japan there is a space called Tokonoma. It is a slightly elevated, intentionally designed area within a room. So anything placed there is no longer just an object. The space itself elevates the meaning and the value, in this case, the bonsai tree. So this changes how we see bonsai.
はい、これは、飾りではなくて、空間そのものが、価値を与える仕組みになっています。
Yes, this is not decoration. This is it is a structure where the space itself gives the value. So what is Tokonoma?
床の間は物を飾る場所ではありません。価値が生まれる場所です。何を置くかではなく、どこに置くかで価値は決まります。
So a tokonoma is not a place to display things. It is where value is created. It's not where you place, but the place that changes its value. So the space itself gives meaning.
はい、日本ではその空間そのもの、空間がそのものの見え方を変えます。
Yes, in Japan, the space itself changes how something is perceived. So where does the tatami come into this?
床の間という、空間を支えているのが、畳です。畳は見た目でだけではなく、内部の構造まで、自然素材で作られています。
So what supports the space of Tokonoma is tatami. Tatami is not just about appearance, even its internal structure is made from natural materials. So it's more than just a surface then.
はい、畳は、 中の床と、畳表と、ヘリの3つで構成されています。特に畳表に使われる、いぐさは、香りや質感、湿度を調整する働きがあって空間の心地よさを作っています。
So the tatami is made in three parts: the base, the surface, and the edge. The surface is the omota. Omote. The edges are the heri, and then toko is the structure, the actual insides and structure and build of the unit itself. The igusa used in the surface provides a natural scent and texture, very nice texture, and helps regulate humidity, creating comfort in the space. Are all tatami like this?
最近では合成素材の畳も増えてきています。ですが自然素材の畳は空間の質そのものを変えます。
So today many tatami use synthetic materials, but natural tatami changes the quality of the space itself. So this isn't really about display.
はい、盆栽を置くのではなく、存在する場所を作ります。
Yes, the bonsai is not just placed; it is given a place to exist. So it feels more connected.
自然を切り取って、そのまま空間に持ち込むような感覚です。
It feels like taking a piece of nature and bringing it directly into the space. So this is made by craftsmen.
はい、日本の農家、いぐさ農家さんが育てたいぐさを使って、で畳職人が一つ一つ仕上げています。
Yes, the igusa is grown by farmers in Japan, and each piece is finished by very highly skilled craftsmen. So you don't need a traditional room, a traditional Japanese room.
はい、1枚の畳でも空間の質は変わります。
Yes, even a single piece of tatami can change the quality of a space. So this is more than just a product.
はい、これはもう物ではなく体験です。
Yes, this is not just a product, it's an experience. A different way to live.
ね、いつか靴を脱いで自分の空間を作ってみてください。
Maybe one day you will take off your shoes and create your own space. If you enjoyed this, you can like and subscribe, all the normal stuff, press the bells, press the buttons and all that. And if you really did enjoy this, please let me know down in the comments, and if you'd like to explore more ways to connect with bonsai and especially with the Japanese culture.
ご視聴ありがとうございました。チャンネル登録と高評価よろしくお願いします。
Thank you very much for joining us for this. If you'd like to see more again, please let me know down in the comments. But that's going to do it for this one. So get out there and make the best of the rest of your day. Be kind to each other, animals and the planet. And as always, I'll see you again in the next one. Brilliant.